Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming permissions and installing tooling. First, make sure you have an admin role and PowerShell 7 or newer installed. This avoids legacy auth problems. Next, install the Exchange Online V2 module using install module and register the module so commands map correctly. Once done, verify modern authentication is enabled in your tenant and have your MFA device or app ready. These steps set the foundation. Without them, you can't establish a secure remote session to Exchange Online. You now establish the remote session. Run Connect Exchange Online with your user principal name. The module prompts for MFA when required. Accept the sign-in. If automating, configure a service principal and certificate because app-only auth avoids interactive prompts. After connecting, validate the session by running a simple CMDlet like getXO mailbox or getXO organization config to confirm permissions and latency. Make sure to scope sessions with organization or tenant to avoid cross-tenant changes. When finished, use Disconnect Exchange Online to cleanly close the session. You wrap up by properly disconnecting and addressing common errors. Run Disconnect Exchange Online to release tokens and avoid hanging sessions. If you encounter TLS, proxy, or connectivity errors, update PowerShell and the EXO module, then rerun Connect Exchange Online. Sometimes a corporate proxy requires explicit proxy settings. When specific CMDlets fail, verify you're on the correct module version and inspect audit logs or error messages for missing admin roles. One key tip: retry after updating modules. Many issues stem from outdated client tooling.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.